A major update has come out regarding Telegram in India. Many users are reporting that Telegram is not working properly, messages are not being sent, and channels are not loading. According to recent reports, Telegram has temporarily restricted in India ahead of the ReNeet 2026 examination. The move is aimed at preventing paper leaks, fraud, and the spread of unauthorized exam related content. The National Testing Agency or NTA has reportedly welcomed this action as a part of efforts to ensure a fair and secure examination process. Because of these restrictions, users may experience issues such as message sending failures, connection errors, or difficulty accessing Telegram channels and groups. If Telegram is not working on your device today, the issue may not be related to your phone or internet connection. It could be due to the temporary restriction currently in place. Reports suggest that this restriction may remain active until the completion of ReNeet examination process. However, users should keep an eye on official announcement for the latest update. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.